What's going on, Packer? JL Jones, I am too. We're going to pull some good stuff for you guys tonight, that's for sure. We'll give it a couple minutes for maybe a couple others to join, then we'll jump right in. Had a handful of teams not sell, so we'll let some folks jump in here. I'll throw those out there for on the cheap and see if anyone wants to maybe take home some extra cards, and if not, we'll just we'll donate them to the house, I guess. How's it going, DC? Looks like the Heat are trying to hold on here, huh? DC, who are we pulling for you tonight? Ben, how's it going, my man? Go Hawks. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Look, I know we don't have a ton of folks in here yet, but I did want to let you guys know. Let's see here. There are 8 teams that went unsold. Let me walk through those real quick, and here I'll even pull my computer here for you guys to see if I can make this work without bringing down the. Let's see here. So the Bears, Browns, Texans, Jags, Pats, Jets, 49ers, and Titans. So that's 8 teams. If anyone's interested in just taking them all, I'll shoot them out there for $20. And you guys can I'll throw my PayPal in this chat. I'll give you guys a couple minutes to let me know if you're interested in that. And then if not, like I said, we can just donate them to the house this time, and we'll get rocking and rolling. I don't want to hold you guys up too much. Juice, how's it going? Juice, I was just saying we had 8 teams go unsold. So let's see, Bears, Browns, Texans, Jags, Pats, Jets, 49ers, Titans. I'll throw them in all for $20. And if not, we'll get to ripping. Take a minute, you guys let me know what you think. Otherwise, let's start opening some cards. All right, guys, I'll take that as you like the teams you got. We're going to rip them and get going. Let's do it. We'll start with the hangers. So we're doing 2 hangers and 3 mega boxes of Prestige. Okay, Ben, yours, my man. If you want to, let me shoot you. Let's see. I'll just put here my PayPal. There we go. All right. We got Darwin Thompson to the Chiefs. Ryan Finley, Bengals. Jalen Smith, Cowboys. Drew Lock, Broncos. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Kenyon Drake, Cards. Nick Mullen, Niners. Tyreek Hill, Chiefs. Joe Mixon, Bengals. Chris Godwin, Bucks. Dexter Lawrence, Giants. Josh Rosen, Dolphins. Baker Mayfield, Browns. Takaris McFinley, Falcons. Roquan Smith, Bears. T.Y., Colts. Josh Allen, Bills. Albert Wilson, Dolphins. TB12, Bucks. Nate Solder, Giants. Hunter Henry, Chargers. Akeem Hicks, Bears. CMC, Panthers. J.J. Watt, Texans. Robert Woods, Rams. And Gardner Minshew, Jags. Darius to the Redskins. Kerryon Johnson, Lions. James Washington, Steelers. Dalvin Cook, Vikings. Montez Sweat, Redskins. Romeo Okwara, Lions. Russell Wilson, go Hawks. DJ Moore, Panthers. A.J. Brown, Titans. Cooper Kupp, Rams. DJ Chark Jr., Jags. Taysom Hill, Saints. Zadarius Smith, Packers. Juju, Steelers. Julian Edelman, Pats. Derrick Henry, Titans. Jamal Adams, Jets. Alvin Kamara, Saints. Aaron Jones, Packers. Lamar Miller, Texans. Here we go. Javon Wims to the Bears. That's one of the green. Javon Mims to the Bears. Drew Brees, green as well, extra points. Casey Hayward to the Chargers. Justin Jefferson, numbered to 399 to the Vikings. Justin Jefferson, he's had a couple good games in a row there. I'm glad he's on my fantasy team. Let's see. We've got Josh Jacobs, numbered to 199 worldwide to the Raiders. See, we've got a Gardner Minshew worldwide to the Jags. Got an inside the numbers Josh Jacobs. Got a Keenan Allen Prestigious Pros to the Chargers. Here we go. Got a Daniel Hunter Vikings Impressions. Got a AJ Terrell to the Falcons, rookie. KJ Hill to the Chargers, rookie. Chase Young to the Washington Football Team. Got a Ben DiNucci to the Cowboys. And a Gabriel Davis to the Bills, rookies. All right, y'all. Not a bad way to get things started. We've got a lot of cards to get through, so I'll make sure to sleeve and top load ones that you're not seeing me do on camera. I'll get all the hits and big rookies and parallels top loaded as needed. If there's anything you guys see, feel free to shout it out. Second hanger. All right, we've got Khalil Mack to the Bears, Tony Pollard to the Cowboys, Bradley Chubb, Broncos, Jason Peters, Eagles, Mike Evans to the Bucks, Matt Breida to the 49ers, Tyler Boyd to the Bengals, Amari Cooper to the Cowboys, came alive today, Phillip Lindsay, Broncos, Carson Wentz to the Eagles, Byron Murphy to the Cardinals, Keanu Neal to the Falcons, Kyler Murray to the Cards, Nick Bosa, 49ers, Kenny Moore, Colts, John Brown to the Bills, Xavier Howard to the Dolphins, Denzel Ward, Browns, Matt Ryan, Falcons, Austin Eckler to the Chargers, Riley Ridley to the Bears. We got a Phillip Rivers to the Colts. Got a Will Fuller to the Texans. Josh Jacobs to the Raiders. Saquon Barkley to the Giants. Heard a guy on a break last night call him Saquad, and it's a little too soon. Terry McLaurin to the Redskins. Duke Johnson to the Texans. Derek Carr, Raiders. Adam Thielen, Vikings. Mark Ingram to the Ravens. Le'Veon to the Jets. Shaquem Griffin to the Seahawks. Curtis Samuel to the Panthers. And Jordan Akins to the Texans. All right, Minka Fitzpatrick, Steelers. Keelan Doss, Raiders. Daniel Hunter to the Vikings. Lamar Jackson to the Ravens. Sam Darnold, Jets. Jaron Brown, Seahawks. Got a Ryan Tannehill to the Titans. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Josh Allen to the Jags. Michael Thomas to the Saints. A-Rod to the Packers. Cameron Hayward to the Steelers. Here are our greens. So Quentin Nelson to the Colts. We've got a Will Grier to the Panthers. And Akeem Hicks to the Bears. We've got a Bradley Chubb Youth Movement to the Broncos. Let's see, and that is numbered to 299. The lighting's a little funky here, but a Bradley Chubb Youth Movement numbered to 299. Congrats, Broncos. We've got a Van Jefferson rookie to the Rams, numbered to 299 as well. We've got a Kenny Golladay inside the numbers. Got an Aaron Rodgers Prestigious Pros. We've got a highlight reel Lamar Jackson. Another Youth Movement Juju Smith-Schuster. And then for our rookies, K'Lavon Chasen to the Jags. Jacob Eason to the Colts. Got a Van Jefferson to the Rams. Got a Grant Delpit to the Browns. Then we've got a T. Higgins to the Bengals. All right, that's our second hanger there, y'all. Let me sleeve some of these up. And then we'll jump into the mega boxes, start pulling some autos for you guys. Highlight reel Lamar Jackson. Certainly the truth today. Looks like he had a good day today. What's going on, Will? What's going on, Con Ash? All right. First mega. All right. Cooper Kupp to the Rams. DJ Chark Jr., Jags. Taysom Hill to the Saints. Zeke Elliott, Cowboys. Greedy Williams to the Browns. All right, let's see here. Jordan Brooks, rookie to the Seahawks. Auto, our first auto. Here we go. Here we go, Seahawks. We've got a honor roll, Nick Bosa. Antoine Winfield Jr., Bucks. Dalton Keene, Pats. And LaMichael Pirine, Jets. All right, and there's the old kid reporter. All right, we've got a Zadarius Smith, Packers. Juju to the Steelers. Juan Thornhill to the Chiefs. Travion Williams, Bengals. Then our next auto, Gross Matos to the Panthers. Here we go, Panthers. Let's see here, JLJ, was that you? I think that was JLJ with the Panthers tonight. All right, Browns. We've got a Baker Mayfield numbered number to 100. So there we go. Extra points numbered. We've got a Daniel Hunter, Powerhouse, Vikings. Jalen Hurts to the Eagles. Another Gross Matos to the Panthers. And then a Henry Ruggs to the Raiders. All right, Julian Edelman, Pats. Derrick Henry, Titans. Got a Stafford to the Lions. DeMarcus Lawrence, Cowboys. Von Miller, Broncos. We've got a extra points Jordan Scarlett to the Panthers. Numbered to 75. JLJ at it again. We've got a Cornelius Bennett, old school, to the Bills. Tony Jones Jr. to the Saints. A Jordan Love to the Packers. There we go. And a Josh, is that Yushi to the Pats. J Love. All right, Kid Reporter. Last pack, Mega Box 1. All right. TJ Watt, Steelers. Brian Burns, Panthers. Alshon Jeffrey to the Eagles. Patrick Peterson, Cardinals. Deebo Samuel to the 49ers. We've got a Seth Roberts, numbered to the Panthers. We've got a DeAndre Hopkins worldwide to the Texans. We've got a Darrington Evans to the Titans. Rookie. We've got a Nate Stanley rookie to the Vikings. And we've got a Mekhi Becton rookie to the Jets. All right, that wraps up Mega Box 1. Guys, let me know what you're needing. Let's speak it into existence. We'll start pulling some heat here. Seth Roberts here. I think I can. It's tough. All right. Lane Johnson, Eagles. Devin White, Bucks. Got a DJ Moore to the Panthers. Deshaun Watson to the Texans. Then our next auto is Devin Isaisi to the Patriots. Here we go, Pats. See, Ben, I think that's you. We've got a Josh Allen to the Jags. Number to 50. Extra points. We've got a Kyler Murray inside the numbers to the Cards. Isaiah Simmons, rookie to the Cardinals. Tua. There we go, Miami. Tua to the Dolphins, and a Josh Kelly to the Chargers. All right. Yeah, sorry, Ben. There's a bunch in there. The Patriots were definitely one of them, though. All right. Dante Pettis, 49ers. Sammy Watkins to the Chiefs. Got a Ryan Fitzpatrick to the Dolphins. John Johnson III, Rams. Chris Conley to the Jags. Jalen Smith, number to 100. That's pink as well. Extra points. So Jalen Smith to the Cowboys. We've got a Damian Williams to the Chiefs. Youth Movement. Got a Willie Gay Jr. to the Chiefs, rookie. Denzel Mims to the Jets, rookie. And then a Noah to the Dolphins, rookie as well. All right. Not sure if you guys are watching the basketball game. I wonder if the Heat are still holding strong, or if the Lakers have pulled ahead in the fourth. JPP to the Bucks. Evan Ingram, Giants. Dwayne Haskins, Redskins. Kenny Galladay, Lions. Hunter Renfrow to the Raiders. We've got Jalen Johnson to the Bears. Extra points, numbered to 75. We've got a Prestigious Pros, Bobby Wagner to the Seahawks. For our rookies, we got a Jalen Johnson to the Bears, Andrew Thomas to the Giants, and a KJ Hamler to the Broncos. All right, last pack here, guys. Last pack of Mega Box number 2. All right, we've got a Tyrod Taylor to the Chargers, Khalil Mack, Bears, Tony Pollard, Cowboys. Got a Kirk Cousins, Vikings, Nate Orchard, Redskins. We've got a Chase Claypool auto to the Steelers. Rookie auto. Let's go, Steelers. Here we go. That's a nice one there. Chase Claypool. We've got an honor roll, Patrick Mahomes. Then for our rookies, we've got a Cole Kmet to the Bears, Cesar Ruiz to the Saints, and then a CeeDee Lamb to the Cowboys. CeeDee had a big game today too. All right, last mega, you guys. So you guys, I'll be getting these shipped out tomorrow. Try to get them in your hands as soon as I can. And then we've got, follow me on Instagram, Basement Breaks. We got some other good football, baseball, and basketball breaks coming down the pipe. So if you guys branch out into other sports, we've got some other sports going too. Would love to have you back. All right, last mega, you guys. Let's finish strong. Deebo Samuel, 49ers. Patrick Mahomes, Chiefs. Curtis Samuel, Panthers. Jordan Akins, Texans. We've got a Tyler Johnson rookie auto to the Bucks. Tyler Johnson rookie auto. All right. We've got an Xavier Howard, number to 75, extra points. Then we've got a Julio Jones Prestigious Pros to the Falcons. Our rookies, Nate Stanley to the Vikings, Mekhi Becton to the Jets, and Adam Troutman to the Saints. Break Room Sports, how's it going? Hope you're having a good night. We're wrapping up, coming down the home stretch here. This is Mega Box number 3. We're looking to finish strong. Going to finish with some heat here. All right, we've got Jermaine Pratt, Bengals. Leighton Vander Esch, Cowboys. Golden Tate to the G-Men. Max Crosby, Raiders. Daniel Jones, Giants. Harrison Butker, numbered to 25. To the Chiefs. We've got a Mel Renfro, old school, to the Cowboys. For the rookies, Kenneth Murray, Chargers. C.J. Henderson, Jags. And Justin Herbert to the Chargers. Mr. Herbert. Stock's been going up lately, that's for sure. Had a good day today. All right, you guys. Darwin Thompson, Chiefs. Ryan Finley, Bengals. Jamal Adams, Jets. Alvin Kamara, Saints. Aaron Jones to the Packers. We've got a Gardner Minshew. Extra points, number 200. We've got a highlight reel, Christian McCaffrey. Got a Cam Akers, rookie to the Rams. Got a Devin Asiasi to the Patriots. And then a Raekwon Davis to the Dolphins. All right, here we go, y'all. Last pack. Last pack of the night. Got a Jalen Smith to the Cowboys. Drew Lock, Broncos. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Lamar Miller, Texans. Darren Waller, Raiders. Got our nice auto, Jeff Okudah to the Lions. Rookie auto. All right. Here we go, Lions. We've got a Ryan Tannehill honor roll. And then for our final rookies of the evening, we've got Jeff Okudah, Anthony Gordon to the Seahawks, and a Colin Johnson to the Jags. So, guys, I'll do a quick quick hit list here. Got some decent rookies. I think we got a Herbert, a Tua base. Unfortunately, no Burrow. But here are the autos for the evening. We've got Jeff Okudah to the Lions, Tyler Johnson, Bucks, Chase Claypool, Steelers, Devin Asiasi to the Patriots, Gross Matos to the Panthers, and Jordan Brooks to the Seahawks. And then here are the numbers. So we got Gardner Minshew, Harrison Butker, Xavier Howard, Jalen Johnson, Jalen Smith, Josh Allen, Justin Jefferson, a worldwide, Josh Jacobs Green. We've got a Bradley Chubb, Van Jefferson rookie, Baker Mayfield, and a Seth Roberts. And then here's our Tua, J Love, and we've got a Herbert over here as well. So, guys, thanks again. Had a ton of fun. I appreciate you guys joining me. Hope you have a great start of your week tomorrow. And like I said, more baseball, football, basketball breaks are coming soon. I'll be putting them on Instagram and look forward to having some of y'all back. So thank you again. I hope everybody has a great rest of your evening and a great week, y'all. We'll see you later.